Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. To replace the cutting chain on your pole pruner, first loosen the locking nut and the knob securing the lower drive shaft. Depress the alignment pin to fully release the lower drive shaft. Now set the pruner head on a sturdy surface and remove the nuts securing the drive sprocket cover. Remove the cover and lift the chain bar and chain off. If still intact, remove the old chain from the bar. Install the new cutting chain by aligning it on the bar. Make sure the teeth on the chain are facing towards the front end of the chain bar on the top and away from the front end on the bottom. Loop the chain on the drive sprocket as you align the chain bar on the mounting bolts. To replace the cover, the chain tensioner will need to be inserted into the hole in the chain bar. You'll probably need to rotate the tension adjustment screw counterclockwise to properly align the tensioner. With the cover in place, hand tighten the nut. Now rotate the adjustment screw clockwise until there is no slack in the chain. Fully tighten the nut and confirm that the chain is taut but moves freely. Insert the lower drive shaft into the upper drive shaft until the alignment pin snaps into place. Tighten the knob first. Then tighten the locking nut. Your pole pruner should now be ready for use.